cross-body chops. You're doing a cross-body chop instead of, with some piece of equipment or a band, you're gonna be using the medicine ball. So think about bringing that medicine ball down to the outside of the low ankle and then crossing your body to the opposite shoulder and going above that shoulder in sort of a diagonal line type position. The deeper you can get, obviously, the more force you're going to create through your body. And the further you can reach and extend, obviously, the more force you're going to create through your body in these cross body chops. The same way you do it one way, you're going to do it the opposite way in order to have symmetrical movement. And you'll do either a certain amount of requisite reps or a certain amount of time and then switch to the other side.